So number 24 is going to be a question that is really going to make you take this paragraph and put it into an algebraic formula, which is the hard part because many of you guys may not be used to doing this. So we're going to have to take this paragraph and do that. So it says Mr. Cole has a beaker containing n milliliters of solution to distribute to the students in his chemistry class. If he gives, okay, so he's got this beaker, which is equals to n, okay? It says if he gives each student 3 milliliters. So I'm just gonna say like C equals student, okay? So he's got this beaker, n. So he's going to give out, so that means n equals 3 milliliters of solution per student, 3 times C. And he will have 5 milliliters left over. Can any of you guys tell me how that would look like in algebra? It would be plus 5 because that's, you got 5 extra. So look, he's got this beaker and he's going to give out, and that's like the equal sign, 3 milliliters per student and have 5 left over. Okay, so that's how you write that. And the SAT loves asking these kinds of questions, especially now because it's changed over to more of the Common Core types of questions where they give you a paragraph. And instead of just, if they had given this to you, of course you could solve it. Okay, but they make it a little harder by making you come up with this algebraic equation yourself. So let's go with the next one. And it says, in order to give each student 4 milliliters of solution. Okay, so now the next case is, if each student were to get 4, so that's going to be 4C, he will need, that will be like the equal sign, an additional 21. So he's going to give them whatever's in the beaker, plus he needs 21. So it's going to be plus 21. So n plus 21 will equal 4C. Okay? In the end, it says how many students are in the class. So we are solving for C. If we're solving for C, we got C right here. And we got n equals this. So what you could do is take this and plug it in for that, and let's go. Solve for C. Okay? So take this n, because n is here, and that right there, replace it in here and rewrite it as 4C equals 3C plus 5 plus 21. And when you do that, you could combine those together to make 26, and you could subtract out the 3C here to bring the 3C there, and you're going to get C equals 26. And that is your answer.